February's upon us, spring is just around the corner, and we have some lovely, bright and cheerful videos to get you in the making mood. Valerie brings us a modern take on a simple stitch and flip patchwork heart block that she makes into this lovely quilt, which is perfect for beginners and those who don't like applique. Carolyn Forster is also in the studio, showing us how to piece together these traditional turkey track blocks, sewing by hand or machine using simple acrylic templates and producing stunning quilt and cushion designs. Anita Birtles continues her mission to help us use up all our scraps of fabric by sharing her ideas with Valerie on how to sew absolutely any scraps into crumb squares, which she can then turn into bags, quilts or borders. And we visit the studios of Oliven in Suffolk, where Vendulka Bate gives us a very comprehensive workshop on how she uses marabou paints to create this lovely glitter fabric. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.